The next thing then, so let's bring another product out. Where do we put them? We put them down there.
Can I have this multi-purpose grease oil, protection oil? If you're planning to take a winter break or you're not using the tilt rotator, everything, you have cleaned it up with a pressure washer and obviously a degreaser, so all the grease is gone. Then it can be a risk that the tilt rotator corrodes on certain parts. So it can be a good idea, for example, for the rods of the cylinders, just put some grease on. Make sure that you get it everywhere. You can wear some gloves or something.
Mm-hmm.
And once you have placed it everywhere, you are sure that it's not going to corrode, and then it can last on there.
Okay, so I guess this is then, of course, depending on where you're storing the unit. I mean, some areas and some environments are more, let's say, prone for corrosion and so on.
Yeah, of course, if you're living close to the ocean, then it's more risky than if you're living high up in the mountains where it's a very dry climate or something. So you have to look a little bit on the rest of your machine. You normally know if the machine is very prone to rust as well.
Okay.
So make sure you grease everything in. And when you're going to use the tilt rotator again, you just pressure wash it once more to make sure that the grease is gone and not not acting like glue for all the dust and everything. And then you can start working again.
All right, so it's more like a preventative action for long storage than maybe a maintenance in that way.
Yeah, exactly. It's like a sealing cover.
Okay,
over
right.
it. You can also, when you have put all the grease and everything on, you can put a big plastic bag or something over the tilt rotator, so you avoid that all the dust and everything you normally have in your workshop and everything just lies on the tilt rotator. And once you're going to start up your business after the winter break or something, then you just take it off and you have a completely clean unit and perfectly fine to go.
Brilliant.
Yes, I think that's the rust protection part.
All right.
Put that apart.
Yeah, perfect.